Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Flux AI locally on your computer to generate some amazing images. Make sure to stick around till the end. You don't miss any of the steps. Let's jump right in. First, we need to install a tool called Pinocchio. Once you have got it, open it up and you'll land on the welcome screen. In the top right corner, click on Discover. From there, head to the search bar and type Flux. You'll see the option for Minimal Flux Web UI. Go ahead and select that, then click Download. Now, Flux requires a few dependencies to run. Don't worry, Pinocchio will take care of installing those automatically for you. Once that's done, click on Install at the bottom of the screen. You'll be able to track the progress on the right side. When the installation is complete, Flux Web UI will launch automatically. Now comes the fun part. In the pop input box, type in your prompt. You'll also notice options to select the AI model, seed, and adjust settings like width and height. Once you have got everything set up, hit Run to generate your image. When your image is ready, simply click on it to download it as a PNG, and that is it. So that's how you can use Flux AI locally on your PC. Hope this video helped you out. If this found helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Catch you in the next one.